everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video guys, as you have read on the title, we will be doing a tech review of these earpods na nakita ko from Lazada. I know guys, this content is a bit different sa mga usual na ina-upload ko because if you've been watching my previous videos, yung aking mga ina-upload are usually beauty, lifestyle, and fashion related videos. So, level up na tayo kasi kung nakita nyo yung aking Lazada haul, isa siya sa mga items na nabili ko na I think worth buying from Lazada, especially if you're eyeing for a good wireless earpods na medyo cheaper yung price compared sa mga well-known na mga wireless earphones. So yun guys, so I decided to make this video kasi may nag-request din sa previous video ko na yon. And by the way guys, before we start, I would like to do a disclaimer lang. I know guys, kinlik nyo tong video na to kasi gusto nyo malaman kung maganda ba tong earphones na i-share ko sa inyo today. Pero guys, yung naghahanap kayo ng professional na tech reviewer, I think this video is not for you. Pero pwede nyo pa rin namang panoorin tong video na to. Basta, babaan lang natin konti yung expectation because I'm not that type of content creator na yung main topics talaga sa channel nila is yung mga tech-related videos. So yun guys, a little disclaimer lang. Guys, sobrang taas na ng aking intro siguro. So without further ado, let's start with our review of this D-Boom D69 wireless earphones. So guys, let's start with the packaging of this D69 True Wireless earphones. Ito yung itsura ng box niya guys. Ayan. It's in a white and pink na box. And by the way guys, I've got the color white, pero yung chargeable case niya guys is in color pink. So I believe this True Wireless earphones is really made for women kasi yung mga kulay niya guys is more on the pastel colors. So they have 3 colors for this particular True Wireless earphones. They have the mint green, the pink, and white. Pero yung white nila guys, nag-iiba-iba yung charging case nila. Hindi ko lang alam kung mare-request niyo siya from the seller sa Lazada. Pero I've got the chargeable case na kulay pink. Pero kung lalaki ka naman, I think okay na yung green na chargeable case. Siguro kailangan mo lang siyang i-request doon sa seller. I'm not really sure guys. Pero yun guys, they have 3 colors for this D69 True Wireless earphones. By the way guys, I would like to commend the seller guys kasi nung dumating siya sa akin guys, itong box, naka-bubble wrap siya. Super kapal ng bubble wrap niya guys. And then, nakalagay siya sa isang maliit na brown box. So, super secure talaga ng item nung dumating siya sa akin guys. Actually, hindi nga nayupi yung mismong box. So, I really commend the seller for their efforts in packaging their item. Now guys, let's proceed with the actual packaging of this D69 True Wireless earphones. Siya guys, super sturdy ng box niya guys. Hindi siya yung madaling mayupi na klase ng box. And nandito lang sa front is yung details. This is a music and call type of True Wireless earphones. Bluetooth version 5.0 daw siya. Voice assistant and battery life and charging case. So, yun lang yung mga nakasulat dyan, guys. And then, sa gilid is yung mga inclusion inside the box, kung ano yung mga makukuha mo. And then, sa likod is yung mga product parameters. Hindi ko na masyadong i-detalya, guys, yung mga nakasulat dito sa likod, guys. Kasi nga, hindi ako professional tech reviewer, if that is the right term. Search na lang ulit, guys, if ever gusto nyo talagang makakuha ng professional review about this product. But, I will just share with you, guys, yung whole experience ko with the product and yung mga basic na details lang about this product. So, yun guys. So, when you open the box,
nahihirapan pa tayo i-open yung box.
Ayan. Ito yung bubungad sa inyo. So, makikita nyo agad yung D-Boom na chargeable case. So, I've got the pink case. And then, ayan guys. Open natin tong case. White version of this D69 True Wireless earphones. So, inside the box, other inclusions, guys, na nandito. Tanggalin ko muna itong box, guys. Itong nandito sa gilid. So, nandito yung kanyang wire. USB type siya, guys. I believe magagamit mo din to sa pag-charge ng phone. Kasi, na-mention ko sa previous video ko dun sa Lazada haul na kaya ko siya binili kasi yung actual case niya is also a power bank. So, pwede mo siyang gamitin as a backup na power bank na pwede mong gamitin at least 1 cycle of charging. That's why I bought it. And then, also, we have here yung manual na in Chinese. Ayan guys, may Chinese siya na part kasi made in China tong product guys, by the way. Then on the other side is yung English part ng manual. And we also have here yung 2 extra pair of earplugs. If ever na gusto nyong i-change yung earplugs, you have a backup na 2 pairs of earplugs. Ayan guys. Now guys, let's proceed with the price of this true wireless earphone from Diboom. This one guys, I bought for only 869 pesos, pero kung bibilihin mo siya on a regular price, this retails for 1,900 pesos. So nung nabili ko siya guys, 50% off siya. And then let's proceed with my experience while using this D69 earphone. So I've got this one nung mga first week or second week of August. Nakalimutan ko na guys. Pero nung dumating siya sa akin guys, nasa 3 bars siya. So, meron siyang indicator dito guys. And then, I think nagamit ko siya ng mga 4 to 5 times that week na na-receive ko siya. And then, ginagamit ko siya at least 2 hours per day. So, yun guys. After, I think 4th or 5th time, yun na yung time na nag-1 bar na yung mismong chargeable case. So, chincharge ko siya guys. Nag-full charge siya mga 6 hours. And so far guys, nung ginamit ko siya, super hindi ako nahirapan kasi ang dali lang niyang i-connect sa phone. Actually, parang hindi siya pumipili ng phone. I tried it with my Android phone and also I tried it with the iPhone. Pareho lang naman. Madaling mag-connect yung mismong wireless earphones. A good sign na maganda yung product. So, yun guys. So, basically, pag i-connect mo siya sa iyong phone, super easy lang guys kasi pag once tatanggalin mo tong mismong earphones, ayan guys, maglalight siya ng ganyan. Ayan, as you can see. Once ilalagay mo na siya sa iyong tenga, i-connect mo siya sa phone. Punta lang kayo sa setting. And then, yung usual lang guys, kung gumagamit kayo ng true wireless earphone, yung usual lang na way ng pagko-connect sa earphone, makikita mo siya doon sa settings sa may Bluetooth. So, open mo lang yung Bluetooth mo and then makikita mo siya doon sa my devices, may nakalagay lang na D69. Ayan guys, D69, and then click mo lang siya, then magko-connect na siya. Actually, meron siyang sasabihin na in Chinese na alam mong nakakonect na yung earphones sa mismong phone. And actually guys, na-mention ko din doon sa aking Lazada haul video na malalaman mo na nakakonect na yung mismong earphones sa iyong phone once nagsastop na yung blinking sa mismong earphones. Yung nakita nyo kanina guys na nag-blink siya in red and blue. So, mawawala yun guys once na-connect mo na siya sa iyong earphones. And yung other steps kung paano kayo mag-receive ng call, paano kayo mag-change ng music using these earphones, nasa manual na lahat guys. And kailangan mo lang siyang basahin and i-familiarize. And once magawa mo yun, super dali na lang gamitin. And what I also really love about these earphones guys, na-mention ko din doon sa aking Lazada haul, kaya ko siya binili kasi gusto ko siyang gamitin while I'm doing my workout dito sa bahay. For the past weeks, ginagamit ko siya pag may time akong mag-workout. And so far, napansin ko, hindi talaga siya basta-bastang natatanggal sa tenga. Maganda yung grip niya guys actually sa ears. So, by the way guys, before I used to have this true wireless earphones. Hindi ko lang ma-remember kung anong pangalan ng true wireless earphones na ito guys. I've got this ng mga 200 plus or 300 plus pesos. Naging sikat din to dito sa YouTube. Pero guys, sadly, after 1 month of using this earphones, nasira na yung isa guys. Hindi naman siya natapon or what. Hindi lang gumagana yung isang earphones. So, yun guys, comparing it to this Diboom, although this Diboom is a little bit expensive compared to this one, I think much better na ito na lang Diboom yung bibilin nyo kasi although pricey siya, after 1 month of using this, I could say na maganda talaga yung quality ng mismong wireless earphones ng Diboom kasi yun nga guys, na-mention ko na madali siyang mag-connect sa phone, wala siyang lagging actually. Yung din niya, yung quality ng mismong earphones, super maganda guys. Especially if maganda yung quality ng music na pinapakinggan nyo, maganda din yung lumalabas mismo sa mismong earphones. So yun guys, super ganda niya guys. And actually, nagamit ko din siya nung nag-receive ako ng phone call from overseas and so far, super ganda din ng quality. And actually, ginagamit ko rin siya minsan while receiving calls dito lang sa within local lang. So far guys, nagustuhan ko talaga siya. So, kung may plano ko yung bumili nitong true wireless na hindi ko na ma-remember guys kung anong pangalan ng true wireless na to guys. I know guys, super cheap niya. Pero, kung bibili kayo nito, I think much better na bumili na lang kayo ng medyo pricey ng kaunti. And I could recommend this Diboom na true wireless earphones kasi super ganda talaga ng quality ng earphones na ito. So that's it guys for my review of these D-Boom D69 True Wireless Earphones. I hope na nagustuhan nyo tong video na to. I know guys, this is not a in-depth review from a professional na tech reviewer, but I hope na nakuha nyo yung basic details about these D-Boom True Wireless Earphones and kung bakit ko siya nagustuhan. So yun guys, I hope this video would really help you. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share this with your friends if you have friends na mahilig sa tech stuff. So yun guys, don't forget also to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet so you will be updated sa aking mga future na uploads. So yun lang guys, see you on my next video. Bye!